Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is India's second largest NTO emitter. India has emerged as the world's second largest source of nitrous oxide, a greenhouse gas which is far more potent than carbon dioxide. India accounted for nearly 11% of global man-made NTO emissions in 2020, second only to China at 16%. The major source of these emissions comes from fertilizer usage, according to a global assessment of NTO emissions published in the journal Earth System Science Data. According to the study, the atmospheric concentration of NTO reached 336 parts per billion in 2022, which is about 25% above pre-industrial levels. Anthropogenic NTO emissions have increased by 40% over the past 4 decades. In the last decade, agricultural production has been responsible for 74% of these emissions. To meet the Paris Agreement's goal of keeping global temperatures below 2 degrees Celsius, above pre-industrial levels, anthropogenic NTO emissions must decrease by at least 20% from 2019 levels by 2050. Let's know more about nitrous oxide emissions. Nitrous oxide is a greenhouse gas which is 300 times more potent than the carbon dioxide at trapping heat. NTO is also the only remaining threat to the ozone layer, for it accumulates in the atmosphere over a long period of time. Major contributors to NTO emissions are agricultural activities, livestock farming, industrial processes, and biomass burning. Now it's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which of the following gases is commonly known as laughing gas? Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, or oxygen? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.